Well, y'all remember this wood right here? The big old wood I had cut that had washed up on the beach. And I had thought maybe to use this as a bar top up there in the house. I'm still trying to decide on that. I mean, I really am. I'm trying to decide if that's really what I want to do and what I'm going to use these for. So Marvin and I, we just now set one big long piece outside, and we're going to get down to these. I'm going to look at both of them, and we're going to maybe carry one of them upstairs and set it on top of that bar top with that wall there, and just kind of eyeball how it looks and how we can shape it and decide if that's really what I want to do or not. You know, just put it in place and kind of get a visual. So, Marvin, go ahead, recruit like. This is gonna be kind of heavy. Get a group of people because we need to go up there to that wall where, and clean all that wire and stuff off the top of that wall and move everything away from it so that nothing to trip on. Okay. And then return here with some help, and let's carry these outside and look which one looks better, and we'll carry it upstairs and make a decision here. Just set this piece here on those blocks outside right there. The small piece, just set it out there on those blocks. You cleaned off the bar top already? You already cleaned it off? Yes. Okay, thank you. Now I want to get a good look on the one down below. One of the things I don't like is right here and here, it gets real narrow on the side. And if we clean this up too much in here, it's going to get even smaller. So I've got that, or I could take the piece below it and this one, split them, and make a broader, wider piece if I need to. I'm just gonna have to figure it out. I may end up cutting this top one down narrow. Let's try to carry that up there, and I'm just gonna look and see. Yeah, it's gonna be some work. It's gonna be some work. Hey, maybe we need to rock it up so that it can go through that door easy and we don't accidentally hit that glass. Yeah, roll it on up. Somebody come down here and get here with Miller. Miller's got a lot by himself. Okay. Get more help here then. Is it that heavy? Get more help. Yeah, there you go. There you go. June, straighten up your back. You'll hurt your back bending like that. I'm serious. That's how you'll damage your back. Don't bend. We need more help. Yeah. Hey, go straight to that coconut tree. Go over here. Go straight and then go up. All right, Miller. Hold on, let's see here. Go, yeah, go on around this. Now, we're gonna set it on top up here. It's better if y'all go back that way. Go back that way. Go back. But on each side, just go down the middle. Yeah. Now you need to move. You move around to the corner there. Okay. Now go on top. There you go. Lift up down there. Lift up. Hold on. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Come on. Come on. Super tall. Super tall. That wood's so thick, maybe I can cut a groove in the bottom so it'll go down on there. And that'll look good if we did that. I don't like this big gap right here. Yeah. Well, let's look at it. What are I can cut it. Let me move this pan. We're gonna trip on this stuff. Thinking. I like this end here, but I don't like it right there though. It's small. It's small on that side and it's small right here. Or maybe I'll just cut it. No, maybe I'll just cut a straight line right here and move it over that way. Make the back flat and leave the front shaped. Yeah, it's got plenty of overhang right there. Or I could cut the front and the back. But it's so thin right here though. Or I put it on the rooftop and make a big table. Up on the roof up here, on the flat deck. Yeah. Yeah, make a big table for hangout. I think that's better. Yeah, boodle fight. That's what I'm talking about, right? Huh? Is that right? There's lots of sharks here. I think it'd be nice for a table up there on the rooftop. Yeah. We're just looking. I think I'm gonna put it on the roof and make a big table out of it. Up. Pick it up. Hello, Angel. The guy that's here yesterday, the foreigner that visited here yesterday, Vince.
Yes,
Vince. He's just near on this side of Otan, just near, not so far. He's also looking for a guy to. He bought a used house, a second hand, and it has some precast, but some's incomplete, and he needs somebody to come there. You think that'll look good? Yeah.
Yes.
Round.
Round. Yes.
I think that'll look good. Yeah. I think it'll look real good.
Yeah.
So the gate.
Oh man, see, that's gonna look wonderful, boy. That'll look good. And then that wire there is to put a light on top. Yeah. That'll look good. Yeah. Yeah, stone in the middle. Yeah, because this one on top here, we're gonna raise it up so it's a stopper. Yeah, for the water and all up there.
16,000 all. 16,000.
She all
It,
she buy all materials.
Materials.
you'll do all?
Yes, all boss.
You pay also lang.
Yes.
Yeah, just all in. Pacquiao.
Yes, yes.
Pacquiao.
Let's do it then.
Tomorrow I'll start. I'll start
Give
this
a
tomorrow.
discount.
Okay.
I told her to give a discount because she mini subscriber.
Advance 30%.
Yes, we buy
Okay.
material.
We buy material.
Okay, okay,
So
we'll do that.
And start tomorrow this.
Okay, we'll do that later. I'll get Mel and I will do everything. Okay, sounds good, man. Thank you. Super heavy. Just take your time. Don't hurt yourselves, boys. Yeah, if you get, we're almost there though. Over this one. Over this one. Man, that is so nice. Maybe we turn one the opposite wide in there, and then we can think how to cut that and put together. I have sanders here. Yeah. Yeah. Because every now and then. Yeah. Bring it on around, Miller. Come on, come. Come over this way, Miller. Ah, yeah. See, that's going to come together better. Yes. Yes. Go that way. Go that way. See, that's coming together now. Yeah. Go more.
Okay.
Man. It wouldn't take much cutting to put that together. That'd be simple.
Daga bro, put the cement bro. Daga bro, in your head. Color brown.
That's gonna look good.
Thank you.
At lunch, I'm gonna go there and have a siesta in the CR. I like that, man. That's gonna look good. That is gonna look good. We're getting prepared here to install the next set of doors right here.
Yeah, it's okay. It's when we gotta shim it right over there. Get it over in there first. Push. What? Yeah, push. Okay.
Ilan mo?
I might want to get a thin block started underneath over there. Let's see how much that's going to be. Something's wrong here. Yeah, don't push this part right now. Let go of that. Don't go up. Something's wrong here. Super bad. 18 and 1/4. 16 and 3/4. So we just got ready to put the door in over here in the other opening. Had them slide it over there. I'm looking at it. I'm thinking, man, it looks really off to me. I said, something's wrong here. And I grabbed the level, checked the plumb on the opening down through there. Man, it is out like 1.25 inches from top to bottom. Yeah, so when that form was set, it had either pushed, which is very likely, the concrete itself maybe pushed it, shifted it in the bottom. That's a lot though, and then we had pretty good screws back then in there. It just was not set level. Well, nevertheless, we're having to cut some off the wall and we'll have to reshape it. But this is pretty easy though. Watch this. So right down there is where it's off, and me and Joel both been cutting it right there. And this line we made back here is where our radius needs to go back to for our curve. And we're just taking that grinding wheel right here, that diamond wheel, and just cutting it. And I marked it outside right here. And I slotted it, and Joel's following up where I left off right here and cutting a groove in it. And then we'll just break this off. In just a little bit, we'll have it corrected. And that's the way it goes. I love seeing the clouds out over the water. Honestly, I love the stormy season here in the Philippines. A little project that we got going on up here in the front that Joel and Ambin both are working on. So what's happening here is this is a little canopy over our garage door up here. So when you come up front of the house, that garage we're living in like an apartment with a temporary wall, this is the canopy right above it. And it's on a slope so that the rain runs off. But the problem is, you know, if you got anything parked right down there, the rain just pours down right there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go around and make a little, kind of like a little dam around the edge of this, a little rise. Then when we tile it, we'll tile that all in, and we've got a drain pipe chiseled out now that's gonna go there in that corner. This slopes down that way. This one up here above, it's the same thing. We're doing the exact same thing on it. In fact, Emin already did it earlier today. We have a hole there as well for a drain pipe. So we'll have a tube come out, it'll turn, come down around here to the back edge of this column. Mok's up here building the forms for these columns right here, getting that all prepared. He added additional stirrups, got some new stirrups on there. Looking really good, looking good. And so that's what he's up here working on. Those will all be getting finished out.